Hey, it's Daryl Thompson here, and today we're looking at the song So Will I by Hillsong United, and specifically the guitar one parts. Now what I've done is I've created a video that contains all the guitar parts. It's kind of a cover of the song, and I'm going to provide a link to that video at the very end of this video, so stay tuned. Hey, if you like what I'm releasing here, subscribe so you can see some more, and because I love you all, and because I think it's going to help you, I've provided chapters at the bottom in the description of this video, which if you click on them, will take you to exactly where you need to go in this video, saving you a bunch of time. Anyway, enough chatting, let's get stuck into the song. Hey, welcome to the section of the video where we talk about your sounds. Now what you have is, I'm playing through a clean channel on my amp. I've got a guitar that has single coil pickups. You'll mainly need the middle single coil pickup, nice bright sound. Then there's a lot of reverb. I've got a TC Electronics Hall of Fame 2 that's on the church setting, which is the wettest of the reverbs on that pedal. And then there's like a slapback sound. The delay is just one repeat, very quick repeat. And so I've got a TC Electronics Nova delay, which has a slapback setting. And the numbers for that are 200 milliseconds. The mix is about 25% and one delay repeat. So if you've got a sound like this, then you're well on your way. Now you can add some compression because there's some finger picking. You want to make sure that those softer sounds from your fingers are brought up into the mix. And then if you've got that, you're well on your way. Let's continue. And as promised, here is the link to my cover of the song with all the guitar parts that you'll ever want to play.